The State Transport Authority has decided to double the seats for women in public and private buses from March 8. In minibuses, the number of seats reserved for women has been increased to 8, while it is 12 in bigger buses. Welcoming the decision of the government, Youth Congress Party has called for its proper implementation and reiterated its demand for separate buses for women.
Total 8 seats were reserved, out of which 4 were reserved for ladies and 2 for senior citizens and 2 for handicaps. That has been now increased to 12 seats reserved in a minibus, out of which 8 are for ladies and 2 each for handicap and senior citizen. Similarly, in a bigger bus, 12 seats were reserved, out of which 6 were for ladies and 3 each for senior citizen and physically handicapped person. That has been now increased to 18 seats, out of which 12 seats will be reserved for ladies and 3 seats each will be reserved for senior citizen and handicaps. Another important decision is that seats reserved for ladies will not be occupied by gents.
The Transport Director further said that it has been decided to make it mandatory for bus drivers and their conductors to have ID cards issued by the owners. Even buses will have to display the owners, police and other helpline phone numbers at a prominent spot in the bus. With an increase in the number of rent-a-bike vehicles, it has been decided by the Transport Department to also put a 1-year moratorium on issuing fresh licenses for rent-a-cab and rent-a-bikes. Welcoming the government's move, President of Youth Congress Pratima Coutinho said that her party earlier had demanded separate buses and increase in the number of seats for women in view of the rising crimes against women. She has urged conductors and women to see that their seats were occupied only by women.
Congress welcomes his decision, but this should be implemented properly. Like बायलांनी बसीतनी ते सीट टॅक्स घालूंक जाय, like ladies only म्हणून. आणि जेन्ना तूं टॅक्स घालता तेन्ना दुसऱ्या खंयच्याच दादल्याक कंडक्टरांनी बसपाक दिवपाक शिरी पडना. आणि बायलांनी देखून if they see any man sitting and they don't get, because it is rightfully, legally they are right, now they'll get to sit 12 ladies in the buses. If they see any other man coming and sitting, they have the right to openly complain to the authorities or tell the government.
She also urged the government to consider starting separate buses for women with women conductors.
आयज पळोवपाक गेल्यार बायलांनी खरेंच मॉलेस्टेशन जाता बसींतनी, चल्या मनशाकनी आणि फ्रीडम ना आणि दे कॅनॉट एक्सप्रेस. सो ह्या कारणाक लागून आमी डिमांड करता की अलॉंग विथ दीस ही शूड ऑल्सो स्टार्ट सेपरेट बसीस फॉर वुमन वेर वुमन कंडक्टर्स विल बी सिटींग इन द बस and collecting the fees.